She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
If you came here to learn the differences of these two shoes, I can honestly tell you that there is none. For me, quality wise, this shoe is the same exact shoe. Only big difference is obviously the hints of black that's on the Game Royals and the white that's on the Storm Blues. Man, look, man, it's not that big of a difference. Okay, Nike Air, but I'm telling you, I got some pretty good lighting going. It's really not that big of a difference, man. It's really no difference outside of the colors. Everything is the same, man. Everything is the same. I'm not a quality freak. Never have been, never will be. But I can tell you that right up in this area, just a tad bit softer, and this crap is stiff. But other than that, me personally, quality is the same. I couldn't tell you the difference, really. But man, that's really it, man. We side by side comparison of the colors. You can tell that the blues are way different. Game Royal, Storm Blue, obviously. Me, if I had to choose, I'm choosing Storm Blues all day. But hey, I did get both of these guys under retail, so I think that's a win either way. But yeah, Storm Blue for me. Which one would you pick? Would you go with the Game Royals or would you go with the Storm Blues? If you have both, which one do you prefer? If you don't have either one, which one would you pick? For me, Storm Blues, of course. I said that a million times already, but that's just my quick comparison video. It's nothing major to compare. Quality, same. Basically, the blues are different. That's it. All I can tell you is now I can keep this one on ice a little bit, and this one gonna get a bunch of wears. I can tell you that right now. More than likely this weekend. So yeah, man, that's about it. Oh yeah, on foot video of these guys coming soon.
All I got is a dollar and a dream. Is you gonna